Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the battery type and voltage so the tester uses correct thresholds. This prevents false readings and damage. Once done, put on gloves and safety glasses and set the tester to the matching voltage or battery chemistry. Make sure the tester is powered off, then attach the red clamp to the positive terminal and the black clamp to the negative terminal. You'll feel a solid metal contact. If clamps wobble, reseat them to ensure consistent conductivity before powering the tester on. You power the tester and select the appropriate mode: voltage for a quick check, CCA or conductance for load capacity assessment, because each mode reveals different failure modes. After initiating the test, wait until the display stabilizes. Rapid fluctuations mean poor contact or a sulfated cell. Note voltage, internal resistance, and the percent of new or CCA result. Then compare these to the battery's rated CCA and resting voltage. If numbers fall below thresholds, you finish by turning the tester off and removing clamps, black first, then red to minimize sparking. Make sure to clean terminals and the clamps with a wire brush if corrosion affected readings. If the tester reports errors or wildly changing values, reconnect firmly and try again. Intermittent contact or low surface cleanliness often causes false failures. For borderline batteries, charge fully and perform another load or conductance test to confirm. Repeated, consistent, low results mean replacement is the safe choice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.